Hello guys, this is Ivan here. Today it is Wednesday, and today I will again show you, few my best indicators and few my best expert advisors, and all them you will get in special promo. It will be 2 hidden boxes of surprise you will see in few minutes. So here we are trading with one of the top strategies, manual strategies, inside strategy. So I will not explain the system, but you will see, you can see it on my web page. For every product on my web page you have a video with all details, how to use it, how it works. And if you want to find more, you go to YouTube, my YouTube, and see for each product you can see at least 10 videos. So here are the many products. One of indicators is Forex 100 pips. Also, I will not explain how it works, but you can go to my YouTube webpage and see much more. This is FX Scalper, also explained in many videos using future prediction MACD. This is one of the top 3 MS traders, MS16 trader, based on my private strategy. I think that we made at least 15-20 videos about it, so you can easily check how it works, and you will find all details about this fantastic. Oh, here we have a trade. I will quickly enter. We are pretty late, but still we'll make it. I will put $3,000 profit and stop loss here. So as I said, this is using future MACD. You see we have entered here. We should enter a candle before, but nevertheless, what is this showing us? When you get this not repainted arrow, this is not repainted arrow, FX Scalper, you need 2 confirmations. First one is this trend line. If it is red, this is the first confirmation. And the most important, future MACD, you see the line, what it is showing in next 21 candles. It is showing that is already under the 0 line, but it's still going down, more down. So we are very confident that it will go in the next 21 candles. So it is 4-hour time frame. So it means in next few days we can expect a very fine, very good, fantastic profit. So future MACD is showing 21 candles on any time frame in future prediction. You see what we see, it is from now in future. So this is only one of, and this is Apex Turbo, latest version 2. You see arrow, price should be under the line, but more important is that we have 2 time frame confirmations, current time frame and higher time frame on a daily. We are on 4-hour time frame here. We need both in red, 4-hour and daily. Even here I was late, as I said. I should enter not here, I should enter already here, and we should be already in maybe 100 pips in profit. But okay, this is just an example. Also, you can see a lot of videos about it. This is Forex 100 pips. This is Omega Turbo Trader. So Forex Discovery also one of the latest strategies. So when you get arrow, you check if this line is red and if this is going down and should be red. Yes, here it yes, and you can trade and make money. Now we have a potential trade. We have not repainted Forex arrow, not repainted. We have this in blue. We have this 60% or higher. But still, if you want to be very safe, you need this line, you see, like here, to be over the zero in blue. So we have to wait. You see example here, we have all confirmed. Red, 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 and it was red also. It was 15 days ago, but it was red, I know. Or here, everything confirmed, and this should be 60 or higher. So we have everything except this. So we should wait now that this go under over the zero in blue, like here, here, and then we'll enter the trade. So you see here many products, and you can see much more on my web page, and you will get unbelievable, guys, unbelievable offer for today and tomorrow. So if you're my subscriber on my web page, you will get this in next 20-30 minutes, this offer. And only my subscribers can use this. So if you don't get it, you cannot use this promo. So check your emails and check if you are a subscriber on my web page. I will show you now. So this is my web page, you know it, forex-protools.com. And just subscribe here, and then you will be getting these offers to your email, and you can use the promo. So only my subscribers here and down here of my YouTube channel too, only you can use all my promos. Not this, but all history and future promos. So sorry. You will get this. There are two mystery boxes. Why mystery? Because in first box you will get my free best indicators of my choice, because I know what is the best, for only 99. Free best indicators, only 99. So you pay one, only 33 yours. And the second offer is second box, free best expert advisors for only 139. So you save 80+%. 139 for free expert advisors. For example, only Omega Turbo is 289, and you will get it in this package. For other two, I will not say which are other two, but 139 for free. So it is, the price is even 60% less than one. Or free indicators. Let's see, latest scalper. Only this is 169, and you get free for only, guys, only 99. And I forgot to say, you will get 5 licenses. 5 licenses. Also, I haven't noted here, but if you watch my video now, I am giving you the chance for third option. So number 3. Number 3 means if you want both. So in this offer you can get 6 products, 3 best indicators and 3 best expert advisors. 6, and this 6th will be $199. So I am doing it in purpose because only you which will watch this video will know that we have option number 3. So it is good to follow my videos on YouTube. You can find and get more than if you don't follow my YouTube channel. So first package $199, 3 best indicators. Second, $139, 3 best expert advisors. And the third box, 3 indicators, the best one, 3 expert advisors, all 6 for $199. Also in this video, if you like to have private coaching with me, one-to-one, only one-to-one means only you and me. We'll be training or trading with me. You can ask anything, you can learn. I can give you many tricks and tips about any my product. Contact me. Next week we have 2 spots available. This is investment in your knowledge, and this is valid. Oh guys, this is mistake. It is valid until tomorrow, so this is 5th of December. 5th. So 5th of December. It will be changed before it will be sending to you. So you will get this offer to your email in 15-20 minutes if you are my subscriber. So guys, it would be all for today. Have a nice day, and I wish you very happy trading. Bye bye.